if I never knew? What if I never found you?
Ando sa Facebook.
I never explained in my heart.
How did this come to be? I don't know how.
Angel.
Sasalita siya dito kanina, di ba? Nandiyan ako humagip, humagay.
Deep inside my
Humagay niya ako yun.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul.
Give my love to heaven home.
Nakayangan namin.
As far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
Kasi puro siya ano. Ang ganun pa nga ilong na niya, ano ko pinakalit eh.
Want someone like you, someone that I could hold on to
Question na to.
and give my love till the end of time.
Forever
Right,
was
ito ang kaan
just
ng
a
add friends sa
word.
Facebook.
Something that only heard about. But now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe.
Baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul.
Sabi ko makita.
My love to heaven home.
And as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
Maybe
All we need is just a little thing. Baby, I believe the love will find a way.
Bukas magdala tayo speaker.
Ano din pala siya kami. Michael, nagpo-cosplay. Sige ano. So,
Sakit.
Kinakasing sounds eh.
Wala na, sira na.
So, you're my love to have at all. And as far as I can see,
now I'm
you were always meant to be my destiny. Heaven.
pinataas siya.